We are the fictional characters from this novel. This is the first Croatian historical novel. It's called The Goldsmith's Treasure, and the author of this book is one of the most famous Croatian writers. His name is August Senoa. Some people call this book the Croatian version of Romeo and Juliette because of its tragic love plot. This was Dora, and she was a commoner. I was a nobleman. My name was Pavle, and because it was the 16th century, marriage between two different classes wasn't possible, so we made a lot of enemies. And one of them, his name was he poisoned Dora right there in her house. Her house was the first house to the right of the stone gate, and she died. And after that I was so sad and hopeless, so stricken with grief, that I went to war against the Turks and I died there fighting. So it's a very, very sad story.